Hey, you guys, how you doing? This is JR, Miami Corvette Parts. C6, the blue one that we were fixing up, we just finished it. So we wanted to show you guys how the car looked finished. So let's come around and look at it. It's completely done. Everything has been done that needed to be replaced. New wheels, the paint job. I wanted to get the spoiler in the front, and I wanted to get the back tail. But the boss said we can't. We are over the budget. So we spent a lot of money fixing this car. There's a few issues that we had to encounter that were not part of what we thought we needed to fix, like the dashboard we needed to replace and a few other things. But hey, this is the way it comes from factory. So it still looks beautiful without a spoiler and a tail. So, but I just want to show you guys. Let's walk around and look at it. I had a good deal with the rims. I had somebody that wanted the non-painted rims, the one that comes in aluminum because they were gonna paint it. So I made a deal, got the tires and the rims from him, and I switched those. So for a couple $100, I was able to get those wheels for a good price. So let's walk around and look at the entire car. It really, really came out beautiful. So I just wanted to show you guys how it looked. And now we're gonna open the car up inside the car and look at it, see how it looks from the inside. So let's start opening everything up and show you guys how the engine bay came out. If you remember, this engine bay was really, really dirty. The seats were really, really bad. Let's open this up. So I mean, the car changed completely of how it was. So new seats, new interior, new dash. We had to repair the AC. We got the AC working fine also. If you guys remember when I turned it on, the AC wasn't working, so we got the AC working. And so a big change, a really big change. So now it's ready to be posted and sell it. So remember, I'll show you guys a video with everything that we did to it. I've been showing you guys, and now I'm gonna make another videos, you know, with the whole checklist and how much it costs from the get-go, from the beginning to all the parts we put in, all the labor we put in, and I'm gonna show you guys what the final result of the cost of the car was. I'm thinking this is a car that I'm thinking to sell it for about $1,800. I mean, $18,000. It's 101 or 103,000 miles, something like that. We went through the entire car. So whoever gets this car, you know, oil change, everything was done in this car. So it's ready to go. It's a nice car to get. It's been checked completely. So if you guys like my videos, remember, thumbs up, hit like, that's gonna help. Alrighty guys, till next one.